Son, wake. It's almost 7, you'll be late.
Dad, is it Sunday?
Yes, my son, it's Sunday. Today is Sunday, a very special day. I have a surprise, Adila.
Free, Dad? Wow, Dad. It smells so good. Prada, bat, and my favorite omelet. Yes, son.
These omelet, your mom are memories.
She loved cooking this. For us. Dad, I miss her.
I miss her too, but do you remember how she made breakfast?
Yes, she smiled.
Food tastes better with love. One day, you were very little, maybe 5. You didn't want to eat, you ran away. She followed you with a plate in her hand. She said, "One bite for Mama."
I remember he laughed and ate everything.
Ene. She is not here, but her love is still here with us,
Dad, where are we going?
to a special place you will see soon.
Is it far?
No, son. Not very far. But it is important to.
Dad, this place looks beautiful.
Very beautiful. This place has memories. I'm Wang. I'm Nisanged. Let me tate with these my world. In my world a world of thoughts. A place full of memories. With these memories, I am living this life was I.
Dad, why are we here?
This place feels.
Different, very quiet.
This is not just a park. This is the place where everything began. Where I first saw your mom sitting right here. And I didn't know that moment would change my whole life. She was very kind. The kind of person who made everything feel calm. She loved this place. She said it made her feel peaceful, like time slowed down here.
We used to sit here.
Sometimes we talked for hours, and sometimes we just sat in silence one night. And that silence still felt full. We fell in love here, not in a big moment, but in many small ones. I used to bring her flowers almost every day. The first time I gave her one, she looked at it a little surprised, and she asked me, "What is this for?" And I didn't know what to say. Stay with me for the rest of her life. If she would be my life partner. And after that, we started dreaming together. If she would stay with me for the rest of her life, if she would be my life partner. And after that, we started dreaming together. We used to sit here and talk about our future. She would place her hand on her stomach and say, "One day, we will have a beautiful son." And she said, "We will name him Tom." And that dream became you and
I wish my mom was here. How happy we would be. Then the 3 of us would be together.
always persimmon,
Yes.
always mate.